I'd like to thank Blulu for sending me this product in exchange for an honest review. We have a 4-piece mining kit. We have a shovel, very well made. Handle is very nice. And then we have 3 of the mining pans themselves. So let's go through and show you the unboxing so you get a closer look at everything. And here you can see as we unbox, I'm just gonna give you a little information about it. It is stainless steel. It is made extremely solid, and it's made of, like I said, stainless steel. It's not coming apart, and it's gonna go through and be around for a long time. I like the color of it. It's nice with the green, and you have different screens as well. You have different sizes, which is a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, or an 1/8 of an inch. So you can go through and use it to look for gold, which is what our plan is. As soon as we can go through and get somewhere to try it out. These can be used for other things as well. Worm feeding, rock tumbling, gravel sorting, and probably one of the better options, I think, is beach combing. You can take these to the beach and go through and just dig through the sand with them and see if you find anything cool. These are very nice and very large. It's 14.5 inches diameter, so you can go through and see they are nice and large. So you're gonna be able to throw a lot in there and sift through it and see if you can get rich and hit gold. Let's go through and show you them in use. So overall, definitely do recommend them.